You ever see those free newspaper boxes around London and think, who the f even reads them? Sure, these are probably aimed at the old farts. But what about our generation? Why would I pick up some random magazine off the floor when I could just scroll on TikTok? You see, I have a belief that you can turn anything into art, and I've been obsessed recently with making collages. So I had the idea of collecting these free magazines and trying to make a collage out of them. At this point, I built a decent collection of free magazines, but I was still not satisfied with the quality of them. Is this it? Am I really going to be stuck with using the 8 Laws of Health, 8 Health Secrets for a Longer and Stronger Life magazine that for some reason believes the most important secret for good health is trusting in God? Could this be my saving grace?
Subtle off-white coloring, the tasteful thickness of it. Oh my god, it even has a watermark.
This is exactly the quality of magazine that I was looking for, and honestly I can't believe that it's free. You can just go pick it up and you don't have to go and buy a piece of clothing. Now all that is left to do is to actually make a collage out of these magazines. I knew I wanted to have a theme while still keeping it somewhat ambiguous. And what helped me was just flicking through all of the magazines, highlighting the various images that I thought were interesting for whatever reason. And then I would cut them out and just play around with the composition, see what I like. And for this piece, I thought it would be quite cool to actually make a magazine cover out of all of the different free magazines that I found. I know that sounds kind of meta, but I really love the scrapbook style, and I've never really seen it implemented in a magazine cover before. When you look at fashion and lifestyle magazines like Vogue, you see that it's obviously very glamorized and expensive. So I think the contrast of making a magazine cover out of scraps of magazines that you can find for free grounds you to the reality that none of this glamorized life portrayed in these magazines is actually a reality, or at least not a reality that most of us can experience. Do you get what I meant by you can turn anything into art? This video isn't about me trying to boast that I can come up with all of these cool ideas. I don't even know if this is really a great idea. The point I'm trying to show is that you can create, and it isn't something that has to cost a lot of money. With the rise of AI, I feel like there's this constant fear that creativity will die and all of the stuff we consume will be created by AI. But I think you have to think of AI as a tool that you can use to help you be creative. It's the same way as a painter uses a brush or a photographer uses a camera. The creativity doesn't come from the tool that you use, rather the message that you are trying to portray. Whichever method you choose to go about it is just a way of assigning a label to you. Whether you are a musician, a video editor, or an illustrator, what we all share in common is creativity, while the medium by which we portray our message is what separates us into those labels. Creativity is human, therefore AI can never truly replace it. Anyway, I'm going on a tangent. This whole AI discussion can be another video. I just want to say thank you for watching. This is the first time I'm doing this sort of video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, all of that type of stuff. If you want to support me, I would really appreciate it if you could buy the print that I've created in this video. It's on my website, linked in the description. Thanks for watching.